muonjoria wa muhuri umwe wa biashara kuma kibichoi gukorwo akuite na mwiri wake gutianirio barabaraini ya kuma kibichoi guthi kia maiko hakuhi na kiganda gia kahua kia Barikongo.
Alikuwa amelala kichalichali, ameweka mkono hapa na miguu amekuja kidogo. Sio alikuwa hosera wa duka, alikuwa tajiri.
Kuligana na Alvin nganga uria ni mwana wa muhuri wa biashara uyu augite teithe ni mundu wi gaco kibichoi na kwina uhoteku wa kuragirwo kundu kungi na mwiri wake gutianirio ituraini riri haria mwiri wake urakorirwo ukirogotwo.
Body at the scene of the crime, but after investigations, the crime scene, there are two crime scenes. There was where the shoes were found and the cape, and there was where the body was found, but kilometers from the other crime scene.
Agitaririe uria akorirwo ni uhoro wa gikuo kia ithe, Alvin arauga nyina muciari niwe wamuhurire thimu akimwita mucii ni undu wa hinahi no akinya aumĩtwo thutha ni wakimagai mora nirio girwo ni andu aingi makirorera mwiri wa ithe haria wateanirio.
After reaching work, I was called by my mom. Then she told me that something had happened to my father. Then I went to my mom to find out what really transpired regarding this issue.
Undu wa mwanya ni ati ithe agiuka gukorwo ni gikuo giake araikaraga wiki kuona ni makoretwo matigana na mutumia wake ni undu wa ngucanio cia kiwendo.
At home, it's in differences about with my mother, marriage issues of which they had to separate.
Aria meyoneire mwiri uyu nio mahurire riboti ceceni-ini ya borithi na maabitha a borithi kuma ceceni-ini ya kibichoi undu umwe na maabitha a ruhonge rwa ugacĩru makioya na kuutwara nyumba-ini ya kuiga aku ya thibitari wa Kigumo gwetereire guthurimwo niguo gutabania gitumi gia gikuo giake.
Investigations can be carried out to know who was the owner of this cape, and I believe with the information from public, from members of public, we will go to unearth the cause of Mr. Kirefa's death.
Handũ-inĩ ha Mutingi TV Rioko ni Maina wa Mucwe.
Nĩ ngaro Maina wa Mucwe ni tondu wa riboti iyo na tugu